What up, guys? Hopefully, you guys are doing good, especially you young people out there. Most of my content I try to target a lot of the younger people because it's so important. It's so important to start saving money and getting your mind right at such an early age because that's what's gonna set you up for success in the next 10 years. There's a lot of people that start late as well, 30, 35-year-olds, but sometimes I feel like older people might be stubborn, and they think they might know the answer. So it's just easier to talk to younger people about the truth. But also, this pertains to a lot of older people too. If you want to listen to this and take my advice, then take it, But there is other people that can teach you more about money and investing and all this stuff. For me, it's just more about the mindset. A lot of people do not talk about the mindset, to save money. Other people tell you how to do it and like what to do, but it starts with your mindset. And nobody's teaching you how to have a mindset around saving money and investing and getting your goals, your realistic goals right. You're never gonna get there. I don't care how many times you read a fucking book about how to get rich or how to influence yourself to do something. Like, it doesn't matter how many times you read it, the ideas and all this. It's all about doing it and staying consistent with those actions day by day, minute by minute, second by second. It matters. This weekend I'm actually going to Mexico, and it's just kind of like I'm gonna go see my grandma. Makes me think like fuck, I'm gonna waste $200, but at the same time I don't want to become that asshole, because it's important, family is important, and it just sucks that they live on the other side of the states, and it has to be done. We gotta put time for family, but the point is that I'm gonna waste money, but I already set a budget for that. But I've been saving money for so long that I automatically know, like, well, this is how much I'm gonna waste. I'm not gonna do that, and then I'll be good. But the same thing with you guys. Like, if you have something planned this weekend, or like, I don't know, you're trying to do something next month, like, you should really think about it. Is it worth it? Do I have the money for it? What am I trying to do? It's true, guys. If you don't have a goal or precise plan or anything like that, it can be hard to save. It can really be hard to save because you're living in the moment. You don't care about what the future holds still, especially when you're young. And you have to really put this shit into perspective. When you're 18, when you're 19, you don't care. You just don't care. You're like, fuck yeah, I got a job. I got paid. I'm going to go buy these clothes, these shoes. I want to impress that chick. I'm going to go out with the boys. We're going to fucking smoke, drink, or do whatever. And it's just, it turns back into you being broke, And not only that, you compare yourself. You compare yourself to your friends, to other people. Like, oh, he brought the coolest shoes. Oh, he brought that sick jacket. Like, or hopefully that girl likes it. Or like, you bought the sickest shit. You bought the sickest vacation spot, yet you're still worried and you're not confident about your relationship with others. That's another thing, So that's how I want to stress this. The mindset behind fucking money.
Thank you.
I just want to keep stressing this, the mindset behind money, and how it's just important to really isolate yourself. If you're at zero, if you're at fucking zero, and what I mean by zero sometimes is having $1,000 in your bank account, you're at fucking zero. I'm at zero, I'm not going to tell you guys how much I have, but trust me, I got some. And if I think I'm at zero, and some of you guys only have $1,000 in your bank account, you're definitely at zero. You're at negative zero. So it's important to fucking save money. It's hard, guys. It's hard. It's a discipline. Like, it's hard to not buy the things you want to buy. It's mind fucking because you can also talk about, well, or I'm gonna die one day. Like, who gives a fuck? I'm gonna go travel now. I'm gonna go do this now. I can make that money later. But it's all about legacy, guys. One day you're gonna wake up and you're gonna realize, like, fuck, I need to get my life together because you obviously have not fucking died, right? And you're just gonna fucking start. So why not start now? It's like anything else in the world. It's just like fitness. If you want to lose weight, if you want to gain muscle, you got to start now. Like, there's no waiting around. There's just, it's fucking now, guys. It's now or never. You're going to miss out on opportunities that would have been so easy to jump on, and you're just going to miss them. You know, that could have been your fucking spring jump shot to 20 levels up, you know, and now you got to wait for the next fucking decade till something happens so you can take advantage of those opportunities. But it's hard, guys. It's hard to save money. I just want to get you guys in the mindset to save money, because I want everybody's bank account to be as healthy and wealthy as possible as it can be with whatever your situation is. I don't care what your situation is. You can get it. You can get money. Okay, you can get out of your situation. You can make it better. I don't care if you got 4 kids. You can find a way. Okay? You can fucking find a way. So if you guys haven't looked at my other videos, I'm starting a 3-month journey with my sister Ale, and I feel like you guys should jump on it. You know, it's literally a tag along. It's 3 months long. We're barely on week 1.5 now, and she's been doing good. You know, she has a impulsive buying for clothes, and she has not been doing that. So I'm very proud of her. So I recommend you guys jump on it, and let's fucking get this money. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys later on the next vlog, and have a good one.